Hi, hello. Today we'll discuss about the fundamental of nursing subject. Topic is illness. If you see the illness is a state of poor health or sickness. The word illness is commonly used to refer a disease or instant of sickness. The word illness prefix ill means sick. Suffix ness is used to indicate a state or condition. If you see the definition, illness is a condition characterized by a deviation from a normal health state which is manifested by physical and psychological symptoms. This was given by Kozler. Illness is a state in which a person's physical, intellectual, emotional, social or spiritual functioning is diminished or impaired in comparison with the previous experience. This was given by the Porter and Petrie. These are the definitions. Types of illness: acute illness, chronic illness, terminal illness. Acute illness usually has a short duration and severe. The signs and symptoms appear abruptly, subside after a relatively short period. In acute illness, the person may return to normal level of wellness. It indicates acute illness means it is a short duration, only just months only will be there, like about 2 months, 3 months like that, but it is very severe. Next, chronic illness, usually slow onset. It will come very slowly and it persists longer than 6 months and can also affect functioning in any dimensions. Any dimensions means like in a physical dimension, social, spiritual dimensions like that. Terminal illness, long-term disease process may be life-threatening. These are the types of illness. Causes: hereditary, due to defect in the genes of one or other parent which is transmitted to the offspring, that is from our parents, because of the defect of the gene is spread to the offsprings. Congenital, due to defect in the development present at birth, example cleft lip, cleft palate. Metabolic, due to disturbances or abnormalities in the intricate process of metabolism. Deficiency, results from inadequate intake of absorption of essential dietary factors. Traumatic, due to injury. Allergic, due to abnormal response of the body to chemical or protein substances or to physical stimuli. Neoplastic, due to abnormal or uncontrolled growth of cells. Idiopathic, causes is unknown, self-oriented or spontaneous origin. Degenerative, results from the degenerative changes that occurs in tissues and organs. Iatrogenic, results from the treatment of a disease. Risk factors: genetic and hereditary factors. It plays a major role in specific illness. Age: as age increases, there is a more susceptibility to certain illnesses. The risk of heart diseases increases with age. This is the example. Environment: the physical environment in which a person works or lives can increase the risk. Lifestyle such as habits and practices involve risk factors. Stages of illness. According to Edward Suchman, 1972, identifies stages of illness. Stage 1, symptom experience. Stage 2, assumption of sick role. Stage 3, medical care contact. Stage 4, dependent patient role. Stage 5, recovery and rehabilitation. Stage 1, symptom experience. In this stage, person feels that something is wrong, but he or she is not able to diagnose the problem. Here they feel that something not well, but they can't able to diagnose what exactly happened. Perception of symptoms includes awareness of physical change like pain, rashes, lump. At the end of this stage, the person is able to make decision that it is a symptom of an illness. Stage 2, assumption of sick role. In this stage, the person will assume sick role and seek confirmation from family and others that they are indeed sick. then the person gets excused from normal duties and role expectation. Assumption of sick role results in emotional changes such as withdrawal, depression, physical changes. Here in this stage, the person will assume they will be having sick. Third stage, medical care contact. At this stage, the person acknowledges the illness and seeks explanation of causes, duration of illness and its complications. Health professional may determine whether the person is ill or not. Stage 4. Dependent patient role. After accepting the diagnosis, person becomes dependent upon healthcare professionals to get treatment. Here the person accepts the care, sympathy, protection from the demands and stress of life. Stage 5. Recovery and rehabilitation. In this stage, the symptoms of illness get subsides